ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki arngut ki menteri rangba jong kejela Meghalaya bat kejela Assam Shwa bakinya Aiti Markylliang ye ki Kaiphod sorjamin ya ki hinreutli ki jaka ki badan hakajinge ke jiapot kin se Ïakynduh Biang banya theria tai halor kani ka mat ka bakong santam ka baki pai ba nong song snong ha Khappud kila angnut baro shikata. Ia kani la pentip do sembut menteri rangba jong kejela uba preston tensong habaya keren bat kila pathai khubor ha khat lai teri kubnai kela lingkot arajar arpuar habaya thu benya halor ki jingya keren kabalalong ha pedeng u Conrad sangma bat u himanta biswa sarma ha gohati ha khat ar teri kubnai kela lingkot arhajar arpuar uba preston uliat ru baki arngut ki menteri rangba kila bu thongru ban pendep ya kani ka jingye penbait put la kumno ha Shwa ba ka Meghalaya kan rakhe ye ka jingyo jilla bapura kaban salong ha ka arpu wei terik ubnai kela lingkot arhajar arpuar.
In fact, we already had a meeting, both the chief ministers, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Again, they had a very closed, detailed discussion, and ultimately the decision was taken that both the state government, once again they will prepare and submit a detailed, comprehensive report, both the state government to the Honorable Chief Ministers of both the state, at least maximum 3 days time. That task has been given to both the state government. Then once the report is ready, once the report is submitted to the respective chief ministers, again both the Honorable Chief Minister will sit down for final agreement. That was the decision taken yesterday by both the Honorable Chief Ministers. Now we are waiting for the detailed report to be submitted by both the state government to both the Honorable Chief Minister. Thereafter, immediately, sitting will take place between both of them, and thereafter, again, they will fly over to Delhi for briefing, for discussing with the Honorable Home Minister, and thereafter they will come back and declare or brief or press conference will be organized by both the Honorable Chief Ministers. They have given time at least 3 days from today to both the state government to submit the detailed report. Once the report is submitted to both the Honorable Chief Ministers, then one more day, one more sitting will be held among themselves, and thereafter they will fly over to Delhi for meeting with the Honorable Union Home Minister. The spirit of the terms of reference is fixed, where be it the regional committees or be it both the chief ministers, they will take a call, final call. I think no need to preempt right now. We can't say that what will you do if they reject or if they accept. I think that question will come in a later stage. Right now, let us hope for the best. And number two, I am very sure it should be positive for both the state government. Our wish from the state government of Meghalaya, since since it happens of celebrating the golden jubilee of the statehood in the state of Meghalaya, from our side, in fact, that is our wish. But ultimately, as I said to you, this is not only our wishes, but both the state and both the chief ministers has to sit down, has to discuss all the details again after receiving the detailed report from both the state government. That process has been there. That's why we went for joint inspection. We went for days, that consultation, these, that. It was already in place, no doubt about it.